Hey, I'm Clara. I earn regular salary, and every month I used to wonder, where does all my money go? Today, I finally figured it out. Let's get into it. Salary day. Hands up if this is the best day of your month. That notification hits, and you feel on top of the world. You're thinking, I'm going to save this month. I'm going to be responsible. This is my month. For about 5 minutes. 3 weeks later, you check your account and think, wait, what happened? Where did it all go? Okay, let's trace where it actually went. Rent. Fine, that's necessary. Groceries. Totally fair. But then, food delivery 3 times this week because I was too tired to cook. A jacket I didn't need, but it was on sale, so obviously I had to buy it. 2 streaming services I barely watch. Be honest, when was the last time you actually opened that second one? And coffee. Every single morning. Look, I love coffee, but my wallet doesn't. Here's the shocking part. None of these felt expensive alone. $5 here, $12 there, no big deal, right? But together, they ate my entire paycheck, like a silent money monster just gobbling it up. And I was left with nothing to save. 0. Every single month. Same cycle. Earn, spend everything, feel guilty, promise to do better, and then repeat. Sound familiar? Tell me in the comments if you've been stuck in this loop, because I was stuck in it for way too long. But then, plot twist. I found something that actually changed everything. It's called the 50-30-20 rule. And honestly, it's so simple, I'm kind of embarrassed I didn't know it sooner. Like, why didn't anyone teach us this in school? We learned about the Pythagorean theorem, but not how to manage a paycheck? Make it make sense. Okay, here's how it works. Take your salary, whatever you earn, doesn't matter the amount, and split it into 3 parts. Just 3. That's it. Part 1. 50% goes to needs. The things you literally cannot avoid. Rent, utilities, groceries, transport, insurance, the boring stuff, the keeps you alive stuff. I know, not exciting, but necessary. Part 2, 30% goes to wants. Now this is the fun part. Eating out, shopping, streaming, hobbies, that overpriced latte you love. The things that make life enjoyable. But let's be real, you won't die without them. This is your guilt-free spending zone. Yes, you're allowed to enjoy your money, but just 30% of it. And part 3, 20% goes to your future. Savings, emergency fund, investments. I know, future me sounds boring. But let me tell you, future you is going to love present you for this. This is the money that works while you sleep. That's it. 50, 30, 20. Can you remember 3 numbers? Of course you can. Simple to remember, easy to follow. And here's the beautiful part. It doesn't matter what you earn. Whether it's $2,000 a month or $10,000 a month, the percentages stay the same. It scales with you. Got a raise? Great. Your savings automatically go up too. No recalculating needed. You're not budgeting in exact amounts that feel restrictive and annoying. You're budgeting in percentages, which means it grows when you grow. Pretty cool, right? Now let me show you how I actually applied this. Because theory is great, but what does it look like in real life? 50% my needs. I sat down and listed everything. Rent, bills, food, transport. And guess what? I was spending way more than 50% on needs. So I looked for small cuts. A cheaper phone plan. Did I really need unlimited data? Honestly, I'm on Wi-Fi most of the time anyway. Cooking at home more. And by cooking, I mean rice and whatever's in the fridge. Let's be real. Small changes. Not sacrifice, just awareness. 30%, my wants. Here's the game changer. I gave myself permission to enjoy this. No guilt. But I tracked it. Every coffee, every dinner, every impulse buy. And suddenly, no more of those, where did that money go moments. I knew exactly what I spent on fun. Quick question for you. Do you know how much you spend on wants each month? Drop your guess in the comments. I bet it's more than you think. You don't have to stop living. You just have to be intentional about it. 20%? My future. Okay, this is the part that changed my life. I set up an automatic transfer. The same day, my salary hits, 20% moves to a separate account. I don't touch it. I don't see it. It's gone. Poof. This is the real secret. Pay yourself first. Before the rent, before the groceries, before that coffee, automate it and forget it exists. And here's what happened. After just 3 months of doing this, I had actual savings for the first time. Not a lot. Actual money sitting there, growing for me. And for the first time, salary day wasn't followed by anxiety and that sinking feeling in my stomach. It was followed by a plan, by confidence. And honestly, that felt incredible. So here's my message to you. You don't need to be perfect. You don't need a finance degree. You don't need a higher salary. You just need to be aware. Start with where you are. And that's already more than most people ever do. That's the 50-30-20 rule. And that's how Clara started counting. Next week, I'm going to try investing for the first time with barely anything. If you're a salaried person trying to make smarter choices with your money, hit that subscribe button. Drop a comment telling me your biggest money struggle. I read every single one. One salary, smarter choices. See you next time.